guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can see your transaction history in your Trust Wallet account. So guys, let's say you have made several transactions and you cannot keep up with them and you want to find out where they are, but you don't know, then this video is for you. Just go ahead and look at this lower bar option right here that has home, earn, history and settings. So guys, all we need to do is just tap on history right here. So any transactions that you have made would be shown here in order, maybe through date or through recently opened. You can choose to do so through a filter. So guys, it's really easy. All you need to do is just go ahead and tap on history and you can find your transaction history. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.